Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a simple jelly egg experiment with egg and vinegar. And here's the vinegar and here's the glass cup and here's the egg. So we are going to pour the vinegar into the cup. Guys, we are going to pour the vinegar and the smell of vinegar is so bad. Now we have poured the vinegar. So now we are going to put the egg into the cup in the vinegar water. So we have placed the egg in the cup in the vinegar water. You can see bubbles coming. Bubbles is coming, Masha. Guys, you can see small bubbles go floating.
See the reaction of after immersing the egg into the vinegar. You can see the reaction.
Bubbles are so much bubbles on the egg shell.
Yes, see the egg.
It's a beautiful view.
So now we have put this egg into this vinegar and I will see if the egg turns into a jelly egg. So for that we have to close and keep this for 72 hours. After 72 hours we'll see the reaction on how this egg turns into a jelly egg. This is just a trial. We are trying this video.
The color of the egg shell is changing.
No. We'll give an update every 24 hours to see how the reaction of the egg is. Now we are closing this egg and keeping it for 72 hours. After 24 hours, we'll see how this egg is. The view of the egg is simply superb. Superb bubbles forming. Nice reaction. We'll get back after 24 hours to see the status of how this egg is.
Guys, we are seeing the egg after 24 hours. You can see bubbles. You can see the bubbles in the egg. Let's open and see. Now we are going to open. And you can see the egg.
See, the bubbles are formed and it's formed like a foam. The egg is being dissolved, the egg shell, because it contains calcium carbonate and the vinegar is acetic acid. So for the reaction the foam is formed around in the sides, as you can see. This is after 24 hours. Now we'll close it and we'll get back again after another 24 hours, which will be total equal to 48 hours. So we'll see this video again after another 24 hours.
We are here to see the egg after 24 hours. That is total of 48 hours. So now we are going to open and check the egg. Guys, we are opening it. So you can see the egg. The egg has formed a little bit like jelly. You can see the top. Should be careful with it because it's so jelly.
The shell of the egg has been dissolving. And the vinegar is almost seems to be white. As you can see, calcium deposits, that's from the egg shell all around the vinegar. Guys, you can see the calcium deposits in the bottom of this cup. That is from the eggshell. The eggshell has been dissolving and it's settling down at the bottom of the... I think we'll have to keep it for some more days to see whether the eggshell totally, the calcium of the egg dissolves completely into the vinegar. So let's come back after another day, or if in between if turns it out, we'll show you the egg.
Guys, we are here with the egg after another 24 hours. That is totally 72 hours equal to 3 days. So let's open and see how's the egg.
Here you can see the calcium deposits. Here the calcium deposits, the egg of the egg white. The eggshell here all around, all the eggshells have been dissolved and collected at the bottom of the egg. You can see all the white of the calcium. Here, see. So let's open and see now.
Let's open the egg and see. So you opened it.
All the calcium deposits around. See, you can see the egg is giving jelly kind of nature. It's already soft. The eggshell has dissolved completely into the water. Let's take this egg out and see.
The air is filled inside.
We are going to pour this egg into this vinegar solution to take out the egg. Just pour it off. You can see the calcium deposits falling off. Now we'll take out this egg carefully. See, the calcium deposits are in the cup. White. And here the egg is. The eggshell is completely dissolved except for this portion. It is slowly coming off into the finger when you rub it off. So let's wash this egg and we'll show you. After washing, here the egg is, it's very soft. You all can see when I'm pressing, but you're not sure, it might break any time the harder you press. The egg is completely turned out into jelly kind of egg. This experiment is a success. I'll bounce it. So you can see that the egg is bounced. The egg bounced and broke. So the experiment is a success. Hope you all liked this video. Please like, share and comment your experience below after trying this experiment. Thank you for watching.